Go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 cut the doubt off. Watch it drop, bank on chop. Yeah, you know I'm all I got. Go long when the red line says to stop. Go long till the last breath, last. Chop, 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 rhythm in my blood, it knocks. Bank on chop, I'm the blade that never drops. Grind lines, deep cuts, sweat falls, no luck. Jawline concrete, back straight, locked in. The world tries to fold me, I just dig in. Weight on my shoulders, turn it into stars. Every hit I'm taking only sharpens up the rock. Whoa, long, go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 cut the fear off, let it chop. Bank on chop, put it all up in the shot. Go long when the red light says to stop. Go long, hear the echo when I drop. Chop, 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 step by step I never stop. Bank on chop, cause I'll always beat the clock. Shut at the top, long at the base. Built from the grind, not a pretty face. Short at the top, long where it counts. Stacking that strength, add it up, it mounts. Hey! Go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 cut the chains off, let them drop. Bank on chop, I'm the storm you can't outrun. Go long when the red light says to stop. Go long till the heartbeat says I'm done. Chop, 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 crowd in my chest, it shouts. Bank on chop, bank on chop, bank on chop, 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 chop. Yeah. 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 She was trading gold for a decade or so, and it's heavy to hold, but she carries a load. Can't compare to the gold, it's incomparable. They say everything gold, but I'm checking the code. Every single investment I get in my zone, but they never the best, it ain't ever the most. Her level of flexing, she never opposed. Never the type to be shy, never the type to get goals. In her zone, she's so cold. I try to win her heart, but I know it's already sold. And she don't got the time for somebody she can't control. And I can't waste my life on somebody I can't console, but I'm holding on to hope. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, the gold queen, I said the gold queen. Yeah, I fell for the first time I heard the phone ring. The day she said she met a man who tried to sell her a dream. And she said, no thanks, I got enough already, but you get in my team. She's traveled the world and made a living off of any place with Wi-Fi and electricity. She's still getting money if it's connected to the city. And still no man in her life that can keep her in life. And it's worthy of a legend in the making. A woman who can live a whole life off of trading. They called her Jane, she was born in the 80s. But there's no way I could put my heart on the line. A woman with the confidence to look in my eyes and tell me she could change my life if I give her my time. And there's no man on this planet who would try and let it slip out of his fingers in the night. And the power of a woman with a brilliant mind. And I was lucky enough to call her mine for one night. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. I mean, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, said I'm down to do the right thing. Go queen. Oh. Go queen.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, I'm blessed. I could see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. Ooh, I'm blessed. I can see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. Man, I just dropped a couple hundred shares of fate like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, I just dropped a couple hundred shares of fate like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah. Ooh, I'm blessed. I can see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. I see it so clear. All my dreams right in front of me. Yeah, I see it so clear. I know what it takes, but I feel so far. So close, yet so far. I see it so clear. It's right there, but it feels so far. So close, yet so far. See, it starts with a spark. I mean, the real reason why you start trading in the first place, right? That little glimmer of hope, that vision you get of the life you wanna live, that desire, the one you think about all the time, but it feels so far away. And the problem with this desire is that it creates anxiety, impatience, frustration, and ultimately pain. So close yet so far. 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 Now, in my experience, there's only one way to get what you wanna get to the life you wanna live, and it's through pain. The pain of self-reflection and truly understanding yourself. The pain of knowing that your only enemy is you. The pain of knowing that your emotions control you. The pain of knowing that your emotional lack of control is the only thing that is stopping you. The pain of being real with yourself. And if you could sit with this pain for long enough, something magical happens. You unlock a superpower. You gain access to something that the majority of people don't have. Emotional discipline. So close yet so far. 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 So close yet so far.
is getting tight, it's the end of the month, and you finally see a setup and you wanna get in front. You know how you get it when you see a trade you want. You know how you get it when you see a trade you want. I gotta be it. The charge calling out your name, and you see the play you need to make, and you think, man, and I'm be sick if I miss it. The feel missing now, they got you acting different. Cause you just wanna go all in, and you know it probably gon' end up in a loss, man. It's hard to just be patient, but you know you gotta wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, 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 wait for confirmation. You gotta wait for confirmation.
Yeah, we call it the wick and flip. Might see a move come your way, then dip. Oh, wick and flip. A move come your way, then dip. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick. So we bank on the move. Bank on the move. On the move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick.
So we bank on the move. Bank, 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 bank.
Count it up. 1, 2. This is a check they said I'd never see. Look at me now. Yeah.
Used to stare at that red screen, hands on my face. Every candle like a punch I could taste. Blown accounts every month on repeat. Screens glowing when while my friends hit the street. Prop firm rules like a chain on my neck. Hit my target, then they pull one step. Daily loss, tap out, margin on the thread. Talking to the chart like it's all in my head. Greed said double up, fear said bail. Mind doing laps while the plan derail. Stop too tight, then it tags, then it runs. Felt like the market just laughed when I'm done. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you'll quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. First payout, but it's not my last. Turn that doubt to a victory lap. You said I can, now you watch me stack. Got one check, now I'm coming right back. They said get
Purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing the show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Welcome, everybody, to the Power Hour special featuring myself, Logan, the CSO, and Javi, the Maestro. It is June 2nd, 2:47 p.m. We're trading the last hour of the market. This is the Power Hour. How you doing, Javi?
Pretty good, bro. Had a pretty solid morning.
Nice.
Watching paint dry right now. This thing ain't moving.
Yeah.
So it looks like it broke back over 20, but I don't know. It could go back up to 40. It could reject 40. I don't know what it wants to do right now. I wanted to see it stay below 20 for a potential short.
It's very boring right
But then
now.
I need it to break. Yeah, dude. I want it to break 600, but for the time being, my freaking voice comes and goes.
I'm dressed up
We
nice.
are-
Again, Max is picking me up. We're going to Miami for dinner or some shit. So, yeah.
Miami. They're going to the gay club, guys.
Yes.
That is code for the gay club.
Correct. Logan, are you getting another
why-
promotion? There is no promotion. I'm at the highest I can be besides owning MOT.
The way the market be moving. Oh, who got fucked? Did anybody see? Normally this happens to MNQ. There was 2 wick downs on NQ. Which one of you DGen NQ traders got fucked on that? Because MNQ did not have that happen, but NQ did. I was like, what the hell was that? I'm like, everybody who's trading minis just got fucked on those because those were like 2 80-point fuck you candles back to back.
Lives in Miami and goes to Miami. I don't live in Miami, and I don't like to go to Miami. But if I gotta go, I gotta go.
You gotta go. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. All right, is this thing gonna go? There's a golden MVG up at 37-ish on NQ, which are rare. Those MVGs are pretty rare. I wonder if it's gonna go for it. SPX rejecting its golden MVG too. Dun-dun-dun.
I'm not taking this MVG trade. I'm not going to take not MVG. I mean PHP trade. I'm not going to take it. In case you guys are curious.
Yeah.
Not a
There's a little bit of a potential long. It's like it's in a funky spot. It's kind of downtrending, but it's like funky looking still. Oh,
Why did Izzy get kicked off? We just had MOT and her had different, professional opinions and decided to go their separate ways.
yeah, mutual disagreements or something, I think we can call it. Yeah. Is what it is. Back down to 620. So that was that retest area I was looking at. The thing is, I still need this to really start breaking 620 and holding underneath. So right now we're still in a potential range.
Why look like you're going back to school today? My first day. I decided to get my I decided to go back to school, get my education, and graduate elementary school.
And then he's gonna go to the gay club.
Because
With
Mama
Max and
says
Lama.
alligators mad. They got all them teeth in no toothbrush.
What's that from again? Oh shit.
It's from Waterboy.
Water boy. That's right. Water boy. That's some high quality H2O right there. I love that movie. I love Adam Sandler. I don't know why people hate on the guy. Fucking love
Some of his
Adam
movies
Sandler.
are super corny, but most of them are hitters, especially anything in the 90s
Yeah.
or early 2000s.
Yeah.
They're bangers.
Who hates on him? A lot of people hate on him. A lot of people be hating on him. Bouncing off that 15-25 level right now. But oh, The Longest Yard is so good.
Long Shot.
So is Billy Madison. Yep.
It's in Happy Gilmore.
My wife's actually watching The Grown Ups right now.
You got them shirt stays on? Nah. That's funny. I forgot about shirt stays. Honestly, civilians should wear shirt stays. I should make sure your shirt fucking extra tight. Fucking no fucking wrinkles or anything. Pulls that shit in.
Yeah, he's got to look extra gay, guys. Come on. Oh, fuck Jay Hooley, dude. Some of these guys go wild on Llama shit. Somebody last night, my wife shows me all this stuff. I'm like, God, like somebody put Llama in like a short skirt or some shit with big ass fucking buns. Like the fact that you guys use your hard drives to make some of this shit.
Right. This is what they invest their time into.
This is why everything is so expensive now. Like you guys be doing the gayest shit too. I'm like, damn. And my wife is showing me, oh look. Like I see Llama bent backward with these big fucking buns. Like, what the fuck is this? Oh man. It's just hilarious though. Oh man. AI is here to stay, unfortunately. You know what my favorite? Nah, I don't. What's my favorite Sandler movie?
How do I open a
Kind of
ticket in the
between-
Discord? Well, you can go to maxoptionstrading.com. That'll help you also. It'll be easier to do it through there.
50 First Dates. 50 First Dates is my favorite Sandler movie. Me and my watch have watched that. Yeah, there's look at that. She put it up right as soon as I was saying it. Fucking love that movie. Kiki Kakamalaloa. What'd you put at the dishwasher?
8 Crazy Nights.
Freaking what's his name? What's that guy that plays he's played every single race. Like he's almost like what's Adam Sandler's little friend? The guy that plays like Rob Schneider.
Okay.
Yeah, Rob Schneider is like the other guy that just plays.
Well, Rob
so
Schneider
many
has
other
gotten
races.
blacklisted because he got political, and so people don't want to hire him anymore.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, but he's one of those. Is he Jewish? Is he a white guy? He's a white guy. I know that.
Schneider, I'm sure.
Snyder, right? Yeah, the last name. I know. That's why I was like, he's got to be right. He's the only other person outside of.
He's Filipino also. Oh, he's mixed.
Oh, is he
Okay.
half Filipino? Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, so he's not pure. Okay, never mind. Then he gets a pass. So he's Jewasian. Jewasian. He gets a pass then because I'm like, he's the only other white guy that probably gets a pass like Robert Downey Jr. with playing other races, but he's half flip. If he's half flip, then never mind. You can do it.
Hustle's a good movie. Hustle's a very good movie.
That is Hustle is a very good movie. Yeah.
His serious movie roles are actually really good.
Yeah, the ending of Hustle was like pretty wild. Wasn't expecting that. Filipino American from his mama's side. You know which other one's good? The Zohan.
That's a funny one. Yep.
Yeah. They're fighting him and the other guy. It's like, no. I don't feel no pain. No. And then he puts the piranha in his balls.
Right.
And it's just swimming in there. And even the other guy's like, oh. And it's all bush. And he's banging all the grannies. Like that movie just goes wild. And he's bush banging the grannies when you think about it, right? Because they unveil and you see bush. So he's just like bush beating the grannies. Oh man, that movie's wild. Woo. All right, look, it went for that MVG up there. SPX did fill it. NQ is right at 38 again. The sippy bubbly. Coach will be running the Asia show. And maybe guest speakers. Who knows? We'll see.
Yeah,
I don't know.
probably.
Yeah. I might tune in with him. I might go chill with Coach. Who knows? When I can. Today's a busy day for me though. Man, I had 2 sessions this morning. Been sitting my fat ass on this chair all fucking day. So we're fighting that 38. So basically for me, longs over, man, even 38. We're stuck in this choppy zone, dude. Like I don't like either longs or shorts.
I got nothing. I needed to go over
Yeah.
68 or 97 at 5-minute levels. Otherwise, I'm not touching it.
Shoot, like on the down, I have room on the downside if we break under that 15, that 615. On the top side, it needs to go all the way up to 51. Got 51. Yeah, 51 needs to break for me on the top side. And then I have room to 690. So till this makes a move, there's nothing right now.
Boot camp is canceled. There is no boot camp anymore. You're going to get refunded if you paid for the boot camp.
Yeah.
Anything that has to do with Izzy is no longer available. FlowX is. You can still use FlowX. Everything else has been removed. If you want to still access it, you can go through her and her personal WAP or whatever that is, but it's no longer associated with MOT.
Will this break this 38, then make us merrily up to 50 or not? This needs to go up here. So we are getting failed bearish moves right now, but we're still showing resistance at this 38.
I have volume candles on. That's why my candles are larger than others. Is TPT still your prop firm you recommend? No. TPT hasn't been my prop firm for a very long time.
Ooh, Dom's
I like
getting
TPT. It's a good prop firm. It's just not my number one.
Dun, dun, she's trying to break over. Dun, 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 dun. Damn it, dude. The last 2 power hours have been kind of just crap in terms of where the price pauses. It tastes like pee. Ooh. Okay, fine. This'll wash this thing off. Hold on. That thing tastes like piss. Yeah, but this tastes like piss. Okay, remember, guys, you're my witnesses. Oh, it's so nasty. Oh, it's so fucking nasty. Oh God. It literally tastes like piss, guys. Whatever this vitamin C shit you gave me, can confirm it tastes like piss. All right, we're getting this 51 break here. I do like it if it can close over. And then I want it to hold over 40, basically. Oh, God. I feel like throwing up. Oh god, she got me this pistachio thing that's really good. It's coconut juice and pistachio cloud thing, and it's actually really really good. But I got a freaking, it's like how you convince kids to take their medicine. That's me right now. She brought me a nice little treat to finish drinking this shit, this piss. Ugh. Oh god. All right. I'm testing the long from here from 51, so I'm looking for this push up. My stop loss is below 40. So we're already going. There goes. Ah, there goes. I'm looking for 61. My entry was 49.75. I already got my 10 points right there. Oh shit. Okay. Can we get 61? There's 61. Bam, baby. There it is. That 51. Now can it keep going here? I got room to 90. Can it the runners keep going? I don't know. Oh, okay. And you
PHP
guys
did
got a
not hit.
PHP level hit?
So
Yeah.
PHP did
Oh,
not hit.
okay. Well,
Don't say PHP did not hit. I was in with PHP. Oh, Jesus, dude, my students don't pay attention at all to what I teach them. Crazy.
yeah, that shit tastes nasty. Okay. Sorry, guys. All right, there goes the runners. The runners are running. Can they keep going here? I got room to 90. Can it get to 90? I don't know, but I don't care at this point. Good little 15 pointer right there. Go, 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 go. Push, 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 push. Well, God, I think it's just, oh. Almost 20 points. Oh, this thing's so good. Oh, all right. All right. Who caught that beautiful long? Almost 20 points.
Bounce off the 5-minute level and the 1-minute level. We're gonna see if we break it or not.
I feel like that piss taste is still there. This is usually really freaking good. What is our top prop firms? I freaking love, especially after yesterday, Lucid. Lucid really did a great thing with the fix from the Trade of 8 error. So they're top notch for me. Really love Lucid. I still do like TPT, FFF, Apex, and Alpha. Yeah, you can't go wrong with any of our partners. I got payouts from every single one. My for the features fix it too. Nice. Come on, runners. Keep going. Let's see if we can get to the 90.
Over 674 and I'll go long.
Come on, baby.
75.
Just 20 points so far. Man. That vitamin C stuff I think ruined this for me. Usually this is really good right now. It kind of tastes funky. Oh no. No, my runner. I got my last runner trailing at 55. Though it could come down to retest 50. So could strat 6 me. Trying to enjoy it. but tastes kind of weird. Took you out of 520 and you're done. Good shit. Collect your green, baby. Ooh, my runner's still alive. Hey, you're good, Slim Thick. You happy with what you got. My runner survived. My runner survived. Ooh, all right. We're gonna get to the 90 or nah? We're gonna pause up here. What's the next area of resistance? I mean, the halfway point to this big quantum purple on the 5 is 73, so that is probably where we resisted. Oh, my runner. My runner got taken out right there. I'm happy with that. This could push down to 50 and retest 50. Oh, all right.
What are your thoughts on Lucid versus Stratify for prop firms? Two entirely different companies and setups. You can't really compare the two. I like both of them a lot. Lucid, I like a lot. Lucid, I pulled out 40,000 last month. Stratify, I pulled out 10,000, but I think this month I might pull out more with Stratify. My funded futures, I pulled out 20,000. Like it depends.
I think you meant how do you set parcels? On wealth charts, all you have to do is either right click on the chart if you're on the PC, or if you're on the mobile, just press and hold on the chart, and it should give you a little prompt to sell or buy, and it should appear on the chart afterwards. Could I share what I got in? Yeah. This was a failed bearish move here on the 50, 51. There was a level up here. There's your bearish candle up here at 51, both on the 1, the 2. The 1 and the 2 both had that same 51 area. There is your break and your retest. So here I'm going to show you guys. I know YouTube might see it, but here I'm going to do my little. I've been doing these. Hold on, let me pin this in the chat for you guys to see it. Freaking magnet. Right. Obviously now it looks better, so I'm not going to put it. Oh my god. Oh my god, there it goes. I got strat sixed. You little whore. You dirty little whore. Right, and the same setup on the 2. Literally the exact same setup on the 2.
Are you able to get that large of a payout because you're live, or are your pro accounts not capped? Flexor for your payout. No, man, it's not one payout at a time. It's like, so Lucid, it's payout every 3 days. TBT payout daily. Tradeify payout daily. My funded futures payout every 5 days. Alpha every 5 days. Apex every 5 days. It's just, I just keep hitting them every couple days each week.
Yeah.
And then I also have and then I have a shit ton of accounts. I have full allocated prop across all of our props.
Oh my god, she's gonna go to 90. She's gonna go to 90. I forgot which of my students. Remember, I had a 90 retracement up here. There's a quantum purple up here at around 89 for retracement, which is why I said I had room to 90. But I'm not gonna chase 90, right? That's why I took that trade. It's obviously it pushed up to 80. So there it is, Search. Failed bearish move. Both of them on the 1 and the 2 lined up. All right. After it already broke that 5-minute as well. Kind of failed Barry into a cup and handle, like either, yeah.
Which account do you
That
prefer
works
on
too,
FFF?
Salty.
Primes. FFF, I like prime accounts.
Works-
Alpha, I like
World
premier
Cup is-
accounts. Who y'all got for the World Cup? Fucking, there is no who you got. You support your country.
Yeah, I was gonna say technically you're supposed to support your country. My wife is all about Paraguay. Guess who Paraguay plays first? USA, USA,
Like
USA.
I'm gonna choose USA first and foremost, number one. And if USA doesn't do well or gets kicked out, then I'm gonna choose Germany. It's my family. And if Germany doesn't make it, then if Norway is still how in it, then I'll pick Norway.
There's the wife in the middle. If USA doesn't make it, I have to cheer for Paraguay because that's not wifey, and then Japan because they fucking have cool ass fucking jerseys. Have you guys seen Japan's jerseys? If they are what the pictures that
I've
they've
been in
seen,
this long, by the way.
like I love anime, so like in blood, I feel a little bit Japanese because of that. So I'm gonna cheer for Japan. Japan. Nane? Kudasai. That's all I know. I can say 2 words.
What are you showing me, Dimitri?
They clean up before they leave. Yeah, they do. Where's my family from? Salvador. We never make it to the World Cup. Salvador sucks. We never make it.
I was in Croatia when they were doing really good during the World Cup a few years back.
When did they make it twice, Naval? Like am I able to remember it? Maybe not. I don't know. It's been a while. Is the camera ain't following you? What is that? I was supposed to be on a diet. What is this? My wife's feeding me. All right, they're good. Decades ago, yeah.
I got stopped out, by the way. I forgot to tell you guys that. I got stopped out.
Yeah, see, Naval, that's like when Redskins fans tell me the glory years 1990. I'm like, fuck, I was 6 years old. I don't remember that shit. As far as I remember, we've sucked ass. And then that's why I love RG3. I love RG3 because he gave us the most exciting year we've had in a long time. And then obviously Jaden Daniels' rookie year is going to be forever engraved in mine and my son's heart because we got to go to Detroit to watch that fucking game that we won. And I wasn't expecting us to win. We drove to Detroit that same day, that morning. I just told my student this story. That morning, I was like, I wanted to go so bad. And I kept looking at, it was going to be a 6-hour drive from Hagerstown to Detroit. The game was at night. I was in the bathroom taking a deuce. I come out. My wife is like, do you really want to go to the game? I did the little puppy eyes. I was like, and she's like, buy the tickets. I was like, fuck yeah, I bought those tickets so fast. We left in like minutes. Everyone get your shit. Let's go. She booked a hotel on the way over there. I dropped him off. Me and my son went to the game, dude, and we fucking won. It was so fucking insane. And then we drove back in a blizzard. On the way down. We saw the news and there were a ton of accidents that occurred literally minutes from us passing those areas. And we made it home safe. It was like the most insane 2 days ever. Thanks to freaking JD.
Yeah, I mean, I'm a Dolphins fan. We haven't been good since early 90s either. So since like 93, 94.
Yep. Jolly, I used to live in Hagerstown for a year or so. Or Hagerstown. Oh, my camera's following. Oh shit. Sorry, guys. Wait. No, it's like this. There it is. Look! Okay, we're good now. It zoomed in twice. Oh man. I heard a lot of Croatians in Paraguay. Oh no, Paraguay, dude, has a ton of Germans. Like they have pockets in Paraguay where it's beautiful land. Like the trees are straight. Like they have what are those trees called, Amor? They're like super tall. Like super tall, very thin. I can't remember what those trees are called. Eucalyptus trees. The eucalyptus trees. They're perfectly lined up straight. You drive by them, you can see right through them. That's how straight they are. And that's where like the Germans live. And you stop by any shops there, and they dress up like they're what are those what are those places called? They dress up in like suspenders and
Dundels and
short.
lederhosen. Dundels and lederhosen.
Is that what it's called? Yeah, like they like
The
straight up
the
blue
men wear
eyes, long
lederhosen and the women wear dundels.
dum dums, dum dums.
Yeah.
And we haven't been to a Japanese town. We haven't. We got to go to a Japanese town in Paraguay. Like we drove by there and we went in there, and it was so weird for me because they were speaking Guarani. Like if you listen to that language, Guarani, the Paraguayan language, it's very, very unique. And you see these guys like just straight up look like they're gonna be like, like to me, like hillbilly looking kind of like, hey boy, what you doing around here? But they start talking in the Paraguayan language, and then I'm like, I'm so confused right now. They start talking Guarani, and I'm just like, I was expecting, get here there, son. Him talking about right here, right now, and then nope. I'm just like lost. My brain doesn't like put it all together. Oh man. Mennonite Germans. That's what they call them. Mennonites. I learned some Nahuatl in Panchimalco, El Salvador. What is Nahuatl? I've never heard of that. What if my parents know? All right. I mean, this thing is every little area it breaks before. This needs to break over 75 again, and then 80. It's so close to hitting that 90, man. I still have that 90 retracement in play. Would love to see it get up there. But for the time being, bouncing around. Yeah, that's the original language. Oh, shoot. I didn't know Salvador had an original language. Nahuatl is our native tongue before the Spaniards came in. Really? I had no idea. The Germans in Paraguay don't mix with Paraguayans. They marry each other even if they're family. That is weird. You worked with a few of them. So they're like, they might be the ones that escaped and are keeping the bloodline true or something, right? Wasn't that what he kind of taught? Even though wasn't Hitler like half German? Wasn't he like
He wasn't even German.
half breed himself? Or he wasn't
Mhm.
German, right? Yeah.
No.
And he wasn't even blonde. Yeah, he was Austrian. That's what it was. Yeah, he's like literally like Voldemort. Lord Voldemort. Keep the bloodline true, and he's fucking not even a full-blown wizard. Fucking Valdi.
He's not German and he's Jewish. It's literally
What?
He's not Aryan.
Wait, really?
He was half Jewish. He was Austrian, and he had dark features. He wasn't even Aryan. So everything that he believed in didn't make any fucking sense.
So is Harry Potter a retelling?
Blonde hair, blue eyes, German is like what he idolized, but it was nothing that he was. He was like nothing like this.
So is Harry Potter a retelling of Hitler in the magical world? Like, is Voldy Hitler? Is that what it is? That's crazy, bro. I didn't know that.
Boy,
I was never a history buff. I was never a history buff.
I love history. History. Why? Because
Shoot,
history repeats itself.
it does. Get to 90. Get to 90. Come on, push. I'm just cheering for her. I'm not in anything. I already got taken out. Well, obviously, the long entry for me was back down at 50. I was looking for the room between 50 to 90. We are 5 points away. So close. And then from here on out, we just wait for MOC next because that was the
Y'all on
move
my
right now.
phone in Walmart in line to check out, and the guy behind me is that Logan from Fat Max Morning Show.
Wait, what? Who for Fat Max morning show? Max about to go hunt your ass down, boy. Tell
He's
you that
nice.
right now.
Where are you located? That's interesting. Fucking
Yeah,
Kansas City.
the Fat Max morning show. Why can't I see my freaking what the hell? I can't see the chat. I have it opened up with the. There it is. What the freaking hell?
Shit.
I could not pop it open no matter what. I can't even read the stream. And his mother and father were family. Hey, Javi and Logan, what indicators do you guys use trading? Because I've noticed more profitability when I trade with y'all. Logan uses PHP, Pivot Hunter Pro, and I use Quantum Shift. You could check out both of our YouTube channels for either one. Logan has some videos on his YouTube. I got some videos on my YouTube. Oh, I got so close to 90. I got within 4 points. Oh, well. It's okay. I would like to see this hold over 70. Yeah. I'd like to see it hold over 70 and make its merry way up. If it breaks, I mean, what is the current all-time high right now? It's all the way up here at almost 711. I was about to say 711. 714.
1250.
So needs to break over 701 for me for it to go make a run up to a newer all-time high potentially. SPX has a lot of room up. Both these charts look so different though to me. Like right now, this little run up, they look identical. But the daily chart, or like if you zoom out, they look completely different. NQ showing way more strength than SPX. But there was a lot of diverging moments today as well. All right. It's attempt number 5 to try to get to 90. I don't speak German, but Buddy had passion. Just watch some old videos. He gets after it. Oh, you're talking about good old Voldy? Yeah, he does. Very passionate. There's a lot of KC in here. Is there really so many KC people?
Getting some weight. Damn.
That's Logan in my body right there. Yeah, take my head off and put yours on it. All right. Just hanging out now.
Whatever happened to 11 twice? Fucking
He's
was
over
spamming
at
our shit, blowing up our shit. He wasn't
isn't
following
he
the
over at
Discord.
oh my god, what's that shit called? FFF or some shit?
He's in the FFF Discord. FFF,
Yeah.
if you guys are looking for a job, FFF hires literally anybody. So
Yeah, they hired my son. You know what's weird about that, TC? I actually got an email about that from another prop too. Something similar to that. And I'm like, I trade on my phone a lot, like a lot. So I brought up a lot of concerns about that. And that seems to be almost like something that they're using. Not only them, it's other props too. And they're trying to say you're doing VPN or something. And I'm like, I'm on my phone a lot. Is this going to be an issue? So far, I haven't had the issue, thankfully. All right. They could not get to 90. Rejected up at the 86. Oh, we're going to retest 50? What are we going to retest here? This would be a potential. Man, let's see. Got 67. What is this at? 67.75. If it breaks that, there's room. Oh, man, there's room down. The 2-minute did trigger already. If Quantum Gang's in on this at 71. Almost getting your 10 points there at 61. But again, this is a very, very, very funky area because we did switch a little bit to an uptrend. Needs to break that 67.25 on the 1. And then we do have room to come back down to 50. Breaks 50. We have room to come all the way back down to 620.
What do you guys think about Apex? I think Apex is great.
Yeah, I've been enjoying Apex. Now, can we stay underneath that 67?
I got banned from Apex after a $30,000 payout.
Still a
Probably did
pretty good
something
pay.
wrong. You probably did something wrong.
Yeah,
Because
probably
I
did.
pulled out much more than that, and I have not been banned.
You know, most places you get banned from is if you pull out your dong. So you never want to do that. But you know, if you pull out 30K and then you get banned, that's pretty good. Think about it that way. Shit's like, okay, I'm out. The Dom should be safe to pull out. The Dom should be safe. Oh man. Ooh, the Dom's getting crazy actually. Right now we're talking about Dom. Dom is getting crazy at 60. So when it pushed 60, it bounced hard off of 60. So there's definitely still signs that this wants to uptrend. Well,
I don't like to
if
enter a
5
trade
minutes,
unless I cross a blue line, but I have a lot of room until another level so that I can get a decent move. If there's a level in the way, I don't want to take it, which has been happening all power hour.
yep. Yeah, it's in a super chop, little chop zones all over the place.
Right.
So like if this is gonna be still uptrending, this needs to make a higher high pretty soon here. This 5 minute needs to pull up and not stay underneath that 90. It needs to go up, break 90, and then go push up. But if this is gonna be the lower high, this is kind of the area where you want to see it start to resist. So it is in a funky spot. What time is it? We still got 19 minutes for MOC. So still nothing concrete. Still would love to see it hit 90. But no guarantee it'll get up there. We hit 86. That is gone. Got a 2-minute bluey coming in. Nope, didn't stay blue. Ooh, that's going to be a potential failed bullish move right there. Thing is, still stuck. SPX is forming a range. Yeah, nothing concrete right now. The Dom saved me today at 10 a.m. I saw it start to go crazy and drag my stop loss up 35 points and protected it and saved me from some slippage. There you go, dude. There you go. The Dom is very telling. Right before a reaction, you're going to see the Dom start to go nuts.
Guys, go follow me on IG. I'm 16 followers away from 10,000.
Yeah, go follow, guys. Get that 10K in. Just 16 of you guys need to go and get that 10K. Let's see 120.
17 now. Thanks, off. Appreciate you.
So for what I'm seeing right now, 60 seems to be that safe place for it to hold. So if it breaks 60, there's reaction at 60, and then I have that 50 break from earlier.
Yo, I literally just got 16 off the rip. Two more. Two people actually, I think, unfollowed me. Two more.
There you go. Two unfollowed you. Maybe they did it by accident.
Yeah.
Dude says he was number 10K.
Hey, 10K.
Hey, we got it. Let's go.
Oh,
Good job, guys.
we made it. Now they just all go and unfollow me.
It's like you hit your milestone, take a screenshot, and then you're just gonna see the number drop. Yo,
Oh,
but
it
they be
doesn't-
taking away sometimes. When you hit milestones, then they take away. And then you see it go down for a little bit, and then it'll like adjust and pop up. My wife be tracking that stuff. She'd be seeing like YouTube taking away my views and everything. And I'm like, damn, it's messed up.
I started this Instagram account. When did we start our shit, Avi? Fucking, let's see.
Ooh, man.
About a year and a half ago?
Yeah, just about now. Crazy.
All right, first post was almost a year ago. Wow, June 24th.
June
Almost a
24th.
year ago.
Damn. We're just gonna hang out right down here. Doing nothing. Are we gonna hit that 90 or nah? Just do it already. Let me make sure I measure that out. It's 89 and a quarter, actually. Close enough to 90, whatever.
Nice. 10K followers.
And here's where.
You can't see anything above 10K until what? It's 11K? Is that how this works?
Is that?
Yes.
I have no idea.
Yeah, I guess so. Yes. Oh yeah, JB's got fucking a lot.
Yeah, it's crazy. How long did it take for you since you started trading till you got my first payout? I started trading futures in July-ish, right before the mastermind started. I was already dabbling. After I took the mastermind, I got my first payout October 9th. So July 2024 is when I started. Got my first payout October 9th, 2024.
Yeah, I'm around then also. Let me see.
Mhm. And then the rest is history. That first payout was like all I needed to hit that windfall, man. That first payout was the beginning of an 18,000 2-month run.
Mine was November 17th. November 17th was my
Nice.
first one.
One
So a
month
little
later,
bit of a
yeah,
month after hobby, November 17th, and then I started to cook.
yeah,
November
yeah.
17th, 2024. 2024. I took $2,000 payout. Two $2,000 payouts from my funded futures. I took from them. And now, I think that was the only payouts I took that month, 4K. And now I average 50, 60, 70K a month.
Yeah. It's fucking amazing.
Profits
Are
posted
we
everywhere.
gonna start going down, or are we gonna go tap at?
Do you think being an influencer trading gives you an advantage with these prop firms? Not
No.
Hobby and I. Not Hobby and I. We're not.
I don't get that part, right? I don't get that part because we still have to trade normal. Like we're not gonna get payouts just because you bring.
We don't
Like
get.
we don't even have. Yeah, we don't even have codes for us, right?
Yeah.
We don't. Like
We don't have
everything's
affiliations.
yeah,
We don't have. We don't have affiliations. We don't have special privileges. None of that.
yeah. So we do everything just
yeah.
like you guys do.
Unlimited free accounts, buddy. I fucking
I haven't
wish.
seen a free account never.
No
I know,
idea.
right?
Yeah.
It's like, where are they? Huh? Like, I wish. I pay for them just like you guys do. Ooh.
Here and there, Max will have an. Max gives you guys the free accounts. Occasionally,
I
he
gotta
gives it
represent the
one or
white
two
team
to
now,
the
guys.
staff. It mostly goes
It's
to you
kind of
guys.
small. Oh god, they got small heads in Paraguay. My mom just came back from Paraguay. She was over there for a couple weeks with the in-laws. You guys have small heads over there.
I don't believe that firms ban people that are too green. I've never had that issue. I've pulled out
Me neither.
5 to 6 figures on every single partner. Some rare exception. I've been pushed live with half of them.
Yep.
You just get pushed
I've been
live.
pushed
Why would they
live as
ban
well.
you? That doesn't make sense to me. Why would they ban you? And instead, they would just be like, "You're a good trader. Let's push you live. Let's work together."
Yeah.
They'd
I've
be
gone
dumb to
live with
ban you
4
since
different
you're an influencer.
props.
They ban fucking influencers all the time. Go on X.
Maybe if you talk trash, I don't know.
If you're
Like
a
I've never
dickhead
had an issue with any. Yeah.
after like 50K and like, I don't know what. I don't know. I've never had an issue. I get payouts
See,
and then they push me live.
one of the things that I see as a common issue with those that say, I got a payout and then they did this is usually there's something that you did, right? I'm not saying you did it, but there might be something that you were hedging and you finally got caught, or, you were doing some sort of practice that they caught on to, whether it's, maybe you were using a automation system of some sort. Who knows? There's so many reasons, but I'm a very, very heavy scalper slash trader. Right? I trade a lot. I have fun with it. I have never had an issue with any of our partner props. And then on top of that, I trade with 4 other props that we are, have no affiliation with and have never had a problem with any of them. That's small. It's choking my head.
The problem is you guys are like, oh, well, the apex evaporated Brian Stonks. You guys also, have you guys ever watched the news? Let me ask you guys, have you guys ever watched Fox News? Have you ever watched CNN? Do you believe everything you see on either of those news networks? Probably not, because it's biased and it focuses on bullshit. Just because you see a fucking influencer tweeting about some bullshit, right? It's a one side. You're only hearing from one side, right? There's always two sides to the story.
Isn't Fox News, didn't they put themselves as entertainment purposes label thing too? Right? Or no, am I wrong?
Fox News is just as bad as CNN. They're just both fucking extreme on one side and the other,
Yeah.
and they're both Terrible. News in general is terrible. You're an influencer now. I think an influencer by definition, I don't like the word influencer. I don't like that word because by that definition means you influence others. I think somebody, because they have a large following, shouldn't be somebody who's by definition influencing others. Fucking Kim Kardashian has fucking 1 million plus followers. Does she influence people? I guess. Yeah. Unfortunately,
she does. She does. I think we do influence our little group of people. Like we do, right? People follow us for our trades and
I
stuff.
call myself an influencer.
Our story. But yeah, exactly. Yeah, I find it the same way because I get what you're saying. I understand exactly what you're saying. Right. Yeah, because we're mainly just sharing our stories, our sides, where we're just doing what we do. But we're not telling people to do it the exact same way or do whatever, right? If you guys want to learn, great. We're here. We're going to teach. We're going to trade live. We're going to entertainment purposes, everything, right? But everything else, right? It's up to you guys to decide what you want to do, who you want to follow, and who you want to listen to.
The only thing I would want to influence anybody to do, not be a puss. Have some have some psychological discipline in your trading. That's the only thing I want to try and influence you on. Don't be a bitch and have some psychological discipline in your trading. That's the only thing I'd like to be able to influence people to do or be.
Dom's going nuts.
What was your biggest daily loss because of emotional trading? 200,000+.
Oh yeah, yep. And he was open about that.
In about 2 hours? No, 200,000 at once. In 2 hours, I lost 200,000.
So close to filling in that freaking 89.25. It's just like teasing it right now. It hit 87 that time.
How you lose 200,000? Full blown tilt.
Insane.
I seen him from the. Oh yeah, Dan. Actually, it might have been worse. Dan did see me. I was the #1 trader in the world for Apex for a day. And then the next day I cooked it all. Yeah, actually it was, we have the data to prove it too. We have like verified data of it. Yeah. I don't give a fuck. It is what it is. It fucking, the shit happens. But I went on tilt trying to get a payout and I was fucking $500 away. You start at 500. I had $200,000 in profit. I was about to get 55K payout, and I just took an L and an L and an L. When I say 200,000, right, you got to think that's across 20 accounts, right? So it's technically 10,000 per account. Still, 10,000 per account, not hard. I've also cooked $50,000 in profits on a alpha account twice. That was probably, honestly, that one took about 4 hours, 5 hours to do.
Feel it.
2,000 in Monopoly money. Correct, Eric. Correct. Yes, you're not wrong, Eric. Yes. It's not real money unless it's in your account. If we want to talk real money.
She's going to get to it.
Oh, you're in a trade?
No, I'm just watching this 89. I've been waiting for this 89.25. There it is. And it reacted right on it. Now it could do whatever it wants if it rejects here. That was that 89.25 filled out. If it rejects it.
So here's the thing. Yeah,
but if it breaks through, it'll keep going.
I would say it was $200,000 Monopoly money, but it was like I could literally have logged into Apex and withdrawn $54,000. So like, in my opinion, that was a real $54,000 cooked, gone, disappear. I could have just logged in, request, gone instead. So that was real. Have I made 6 figures in a month before? Yes. Not this year so far. I think November I did. Was it November? I think November was the last time I hit 6-figure month. I don't know what I do each month. Last month I verified 60K though. I verified 60K. I showed every fucking payout. I posted every payout on social media, on here, everywhere.
Yep. Oh man, finally she got up there. Now she's kind of trying to hang out above it, but 701 is that next area up top. 702 is the exact level I'll have up top on the 1 minute.
Trade still. No trades for me still.
Man, who held that? Who was degenning and held it till 690? because that's what I wanted to see it hit. I did not. MOC is in 3 minutes, 2 minutes. So I want to see when it gets up here to 702. We're really close to it.
Miami Tom.
Very,
So
very close to it.
here's what I think, right? I've made multiple six figures in a week before, right? But all of that is fucking fictitious until it's in your bank account. I'm talking about withdrawal here into my bank account. I made during the max options trading live and unfiltered, I made $110,000 live in front of everybody. Made. It was in my account still. It wasn't in my bank account. Withdrawn, November, I withdrew six figures into my bank account. Last month, I withdrew 60,000 into my bank account.
We're going to make newer highs, I think. Holy shit. It needs to hold above here, 702.
I'm going to full port this pro account for MOC, all right?
For entertainment purposes.
Yeah, I'm going to full port this pro account because I'm bored, and this is for entertainment purposes only.
All right. Is this gonna be, man, we haven't seen one of these MOCs in a while where if this holds over 7.2 and you see just a ripper. We haven't seen a good ripper. It has to hold over 702 right now. 702 is the level.
What do I want to do? I think
I
I'm
have
just going to
nothing.
long through all-time highs.
702 has to hold above 702 for me to comfortably take a long on MOC. All-time highs, nothing above 702, below 702, 677. This is hanging out right below it right now. There it is again, pushing above. So it's fighting that 702. That's what I want to see it close above. So we got 30 seconds. It's hanging out right on it.
All right.
This is a tricky one, brother. This is all-time highs. This is super tricky because that wick up, if it does wick up, could be one of these instant blink of an eye that you won't even be.
I'm just going to go for like, I don't know.
All
I'm just going to go
there it
fucking
is.
full port longs, and then I'm going to cash out.
Oh, it's hanging out right on it. This is funky.
2, 1,
All right,
go.
it goes below.
Still in it. Still in it. We're good.
Oh, this is a tricky one.
Still in it.
No.
Pump
Here we go.
up,
Oh, okay. What the hell's going on? No.
Pump up. There we go.
Move,
There we go.
move.
Keep going. Pump.
It did break that level, so it did close above it.
Break.
Can she keep going? This is funkiness right here because of all-time highs. She's
Just
losing
bouncing
steam
around my
here.
entry.
Yeah, she's losing steam here. I'm not a fan of all-time high areas like this. Want to see it rip up.
What do I? Fuck it. I'm leaving it.
If I see this candle close underneath 702, I might flip it, but this is super, super risky. Yeah, there's that pull down.
Oh.
This is super, super risky because this could start flipping the other way easily again.
Oh,
690 is still an area where it needs to hold, right? 691 is where it needs to hold on the 2 minute.
Oh, God.
All-time highs is always funky. Always. So that candle did close below, but we need to break under that 691 on the 2 minute. Till that happens, we're kind of floating. So as long as 690 holds on the 2 man, you might be safe. Just want to see it kind of push back over 702.
There we go. Pull down about 9
kinda just
points.
Watching it. Yeah, it wasn't that much of a pull down. That 90 did hold for now. SPX is pushing a little bit. All right, here we go. Here's 702 again. Well, it's hanging out right underneath it. Closed right underneath it. This is a tricky one, brother.
Come on, let's go.
Go. Rip.
Push,
If it's
push,
gonna go, it needs to start going.
rip.
He's losing
Rip.
steam.
Pop through all-time highs. I needed to get to like fucking 715 to 720 would be nice.
Yeah, this thing is just stalling out.
But,
Like no
but
volume
we're at
all.
all-time highs at 712, so
Yeah.
it's like
Yeah. That's why this is tricky. That's why that hold over 7.2 is very tricky because of that
I was
all-time
convinced
high
we were
area.
gonna
We're
rip.
going
I was
to
convinced we were going to pop through it.
Yep. And
We're
again,
just sitting
that's
at my entry
690.
now.
Yeah, see, it's rejecting it again. But that 690 still needs to break on the 2. On the 1, I have room all the way down to 677. There's nothing above 602. So above 702, it could go anywhere. There it goes. There it goes, bro. Did you get it? There you go. Wait. No. It only hit 799. Why did that look like it ripped hard?
Pop through,
Dude, why did that look like it ripped so hard and it didn't move at all?
pop through, go, pop through all-time highs. Pop through all-time highs.
Dude, that looked like
Go.
it ripped on my Dom and it only went
Go.
up like
Go.
10 points.
Go. Keep going.
That was
Pop
so
through.
weird.
Keep going.
Dude,
Keep going.
that
Keep
looked,
going.
come on. That looked like it ripped
Push.
up so
Push.
hard and it was only 15 points. Oh man. Needs to hold over that 702 and it needs to just completely rip if it's going to go. The Dom's kicking in. The Dom's going nuts here.
Keep going.
It's pulling back below it.
Oh.
All right, there's a pull back up. But can it hold above?
Past buffer at least, so I don't have to worry about intraday.
There you go.
Come on.
Nice. It's failing to hold above, man. But again, 90 has to, for it to go down any further, that 90 has to break. Until that 90 breaks, we're just going to be bouncing around here. There's nothing special. That 90 area is holding really, really well for now. I'm not seeing anything concrete right now. The more it fights that 702, there's the Dom's kicking in right now. Dom just kicked in. Hard pull down. 90 still, it's holding on to that 90 really well. That was a nice bounce off of 90 right there. Back over 702. That's looking good, bro.
Rip through. Give me 720. Give me 720. Just pop through all-time highs. Give me 720.
I really want to see one of those just rippers. We haven't seen one of those
This is the 55
in a
minute.
while. Yeah, this thing can continue to hold over 702 is looking good, bro.
I just want to hit a 10K fucking. I want to hit 10K. Rip through.
Very nice holds of the 90s. Dom's going nuts again. So is it going to rip here or is it going to stall out? What is it going to do here? Come on. Come on. It's going, bro. Come on.
Okay.
Come on. Give it to him already.
Come on.
She's
How many
stalling
minis,
out.
man? Literally all of them.
All of them. He's in all of them. Like as many minis as you can possibly get. She's just hanging out right now, man. Like she's barely moving. She's stuck between the 711-ish pocket and that 690. So it's about a 20-point range. What time is it? 3:56. So even the 3:55 candle didn't do shit.
No.
There's the Dom kicking in again. Here we go. You might get it here, bro. If this Dom kicking in right now can just rip up. The Dom's kicking in right now. What time is it? 57. Come on, push. Push. Push.
Give me 720. Give me 720. Go.
There, bro. Let's get this ripper.
Go.
Get this ripper.
Go. Go.
Ripper. Just rip it. Come on, do it. She's stalling out. She's losing steam. She's just hanging out there. The Dom kicks in and it just pushes up a little bit. All right, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Okay.
There it goes,
All
bro.
right.
There it goes. Come
Up
on,
through. Keep going.
keep going.
6 points.